Okay, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching this episode from. I'm using some organic. Yeah, you see, it is plum. Very nice. Very organic, natural plum. So I'm in a village this morning, and as you can see, I'm on my way to the farm to go and harvest the potato. The potato we were just planting the other day is already filled, and we are going to harvest this morning. The guys are already there, and some of them are on their way coming. So this is Panadu town, and here where I make the potato garden. Yeah, this is Panadu town. This is our motorbike parking here. As you can see, electrician, right? It's already written on it. And yeah, I'm doing some Germany plum. This type of plum is called Germany plum. Yeah, this type of plum is called Germany plum. It's very bad this year, and the plum is very sweet. So it is Germany plum. It's very nice. 100% sweet. Okay, so today is a working day, right? Today is agriculture day. So now this is the way to my garden. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for following me. And
Answer me! Hello?
the road is very bushy.
What do you think? You're just not gonna answer me? You keep me in your...
Hello? Yeah, bro. Oh, okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Okay. So this is the way to my garden, and the road is very bushy. Thank God I'm waiting for any bush now. Yeah, guys, I said thank God. This is my last farming I'm doing for now, right? Yeah, this is the last farming I'm doing for now. Yeah, I pray not to come back again in the farm. You know, at that time I was just doing this at least for the children to benefit, since the students were plenty. Yeah, I said, oh, let us just do this so we can sustain some food. Yeah, but I realized later on that these days children don't want to suffer for anything. Yeah, the way our parents used to, you know, suffer before learning or achieving a trait from a particular person, their boss. These days children, they don't want to pass through any of these things. Yeah, they don't even love labor. Yeah, so these are some of the challenges Yeah, the difference between those days and this day. Can you imagine sometimes my own students, yeah, like you have to appeal to them, and sometimes they will even refuse. Sometimes they will even let you down. Yeah, sometimes if they accept it, if they go, it will just be like nobody worked there for that day. So all these things happen, right? Yeah, guys, as you can see, the road is very, very bushy, very bushy. And I will always say this, people say, oh no, thank God. And this is my last time. For now, I don't know tomorrow, right? Yeah, but for now, thank God, this is my last farm I'm making. And a potato galleon, just potato. But the potato bad. Just keep washing. We'll soon get there. And you see what I'm talking about. It is a river. Yeah. And this is Lufa, the head of, yeah, the Lufa River. This is GR. Yeah, this river is very, very big down there. Then this is the river that connected to Lufa River, and also is connected to it. And this river is the one supplying the water in Vonchama. Yeah. So you see, this is the road to my farm. And people are still making garden here. I can see a corn garden here. You see, someone have a corn garden over there. Yeah, someone have a corn garden over there. See a corn garden here. Yeah. So you see, I don't know what this person should work here for. Just plant the corn, he didn't scratch on it, and look, the corn don't even go far. These are some of the things I never do in life. Anything I'm not doing, I don't start it. Anything I know, I will not end. I don't love to start it. Yeah, because it's a waste of time, right? I always tell my students, oh man, if you know you will not complete this trip, you will not end this trip, it's better not to start. Yeah. It's better not to start. So if we can move from here today, only God can bring out back. For me, I was doing this for a reason. The reason was very simple. We sell some. We try to get some of our advanced working equipment with some. Also, I can also use the money to do some things. You see, this is a palm. Someone is cutting palm here. This is a palm. And this is a big coffee garden. The man who gave me the place, the space for my farm, you have this garden. And this is a large coffee garden where you can even take a tour around it a day. Yeah, large garden. And they have one thing I love about this coffee garden. You have everything here. You have cocoa, banana, orange. You have coffee. Yeah, you have pineapple. Everything is in this garden. And you have classes of. You have plantain. Yeah. So now you can see they are producing, they are benefiting from the palm also. Kola nut, everything is here. So this garden have everything. So to all of my subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And as we go this way, this is the way to my potato garden. Very bushy, very bushy. So don't go harmony. Yeah. Wow. I'm alone here, right? See, I'm alone. This area is very fearful. Yeah, it's very fearful. Once I make video here, someone said, oh, yeah, the way to your farm is a good place to make movie. I say, yeah. I say, yeah, it's a nice place to make movie. You can come and make a movie there. No one is stopping you. But if you meet the cobra and the boa constrictor and other wild animals, you'll not come there for the second time. Where you can see the Nigerians, the Ghanaians making their movie, that area can be very excess that you don't easily find snake there. And if you find snake there, sometimes it can be castrated to the level that if it bite you, nothing happen.